guys, so today we are here to review one more restaurant which is La Pinos. So I was looking forward to have some amazing pizzas and I came across this restaurant. So now let's see what this restaurant has to offer us. Are you comfortable here? Why?
This is the menu, right? They write price for one pizza is so and so, price for two pizza is so and so.
Correct.
So I ordered these two pizzas because I get a price benefit over here, right?
Okay.
Now there is something written over here.
Where? Where is it?
I'm still not able to find it. I don't know.
Please show.
Where it is? Show me. So in the tiny words they write double cheese is only valid on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So they expect people to write, read over here and then order. In 3 minutes of the order, I came to change the order.
How much minutes?
3 minutes.
Okay.
And they are telling they're gonna change my order.
Okay.
Fine enough. Where it is written that this price will be valid. And when we ask for it, they tell me आपको खाना है तो खाओ नहीं तो कचरे में जाके फेंको. The manager over here is talking to us like
No, what are you doing now? I was trying to convey something.
तबेस्को के अंदर बाल है. बताऊं क्या?
Yeah, I'll show you. Come, I'll show you. I have recorded that as well.
तबेस्को के अंदर बाल है.
हाँ, actually,
अभी भी है.
See?
अभी मैं बताऊं आपको. क्यों बनाया था यार?
Firstly, I was trying to talk. No, you are not supposed to talk to a woman like this, firstly. Okay? No, I was talking to you. You stopped me. You interrupted me, and you're not even sorry for that. And the way he is talking is absolutely not acceptable. Okay? You are here to sell. Okay? You are literally insulting your customers. You are insulting your customers. Exactly. You are selling. You are here to sell. You are not supposed to insult your customers. I was trying to convey. You are not allowing me to talk.
The gentleman was wrong first.
It was not at all wrong. He has a right to speak.
It was wrong or right.
So who are you to decide that was right or wrong? Who are you to decide? Who are you to decide then? This is not the right way you are supposed to talk. How are you talking? Now what do you want to do, Pen? Can you please tell us? To throw away our
छोड़ चल जाने दे. This is what you respect.
आप कचरे में फेंकना आगे, ठीक है? आप कचरे में फेंकना, ऐसे मत करो. हम लोग सब चल.
I paid for the food which I have not
छोड़
even
ना, चल ना,
touched.
तेरे को जिधर कंप्लेंट करना
Not even touched, not even seen.
ठीक है, हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. कचरे में फेंकना होता
They
है.
want to earn money like this.
guys, so we had actually placed our order. You just saw that what just happened inside. People who had actually placed the order just right before us. So even they haven't got their pizzas or their food ready yet. So I don't know how they claimed that our pizza was ready. So let's see now what they are going to do, because they literally told us that you throw away the food, we don't mind. But they are only concerned with the money, and the managers and everyone are exceptionally rude. Exceptionally. I mean, I have never seen such managers being so rude to anyone ever.
सब आपकी बात सही है, ठीक है, मैं मान रहा हूँ. लेकिन खाना कचरे में फेंकना, ये बोलना आपका जिम्मेदारी है. ऐसा क्यों बोला उन्होंने? हम लोग आपके क्लाइंट है, ये आपका बिजनेस है. सीधा उन्होंने ऐसे कैसे बोला खाना कचरे में फेंक दो?
नहीं, आप एक काम करिए. उन्होंने बोला है ना कि आप अपना खाना कचरे में फेंक दो. आप अपने हाथ से ही फेंक दीजिए कचरे में. वी डोंट हैव एनी इश्यूज. हम लोग को लगेगा कि हम लोग ने किसी को दान में दे दिया है.
वैसे कुछ बात नहीं है.
नहीं ठीक है, नहीं तो आप लोग खा लीजिए, हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
खड़े हुए थे क्या था?
आपका कस्टमर था, मैं आपके ओनर को
हम लोग
फर्क
आपके
नहीं पड़ा उससे।
एंड वो आने को भी रेडी नहीं है, ही इज सिटिंग इनसाइड एंड ही इज लिटरली स्माइलिंग।
चाहिए ना अभी इधर नहीं, खाना कचरे में फेंक रहा है मतलब क्या? हम लोग ने देखा नहीं क्या खाना कभी? इतना टाइम मैं खड़ा हुआ लेकिन उन्होंने ये बात कैसे की कि खाना कचरे में फेंको? हम लोग आपके क्लाइंट है।
क्या बोला उन्होंने? गाली दिया, कुछ बुरा बोला, क्या बोला?
लोड हो चुका है।
4 मिनट में
4 मिनट में आपका पिज्जा बन
सब बात सही है, खाना कचरे में फेंकने का
4 मिनट में आपका
मजाक
पिज्जा।
आप मजाक समझ रहे होगे, लेकिन एक्चुअली बता रहा हूँ
ठीक है, बट खाना कचरे में फेंका सीधा ऐसा कैसे? हम लोग ने गाली बाली
Sorry
दिया
बोल के
क्या?
बात खत्म
हम लोग
कर
ने कुछ
देते
बोला क्या? ये तरीका है क्या?
मैंने सॉरी बोला।
नहीं, आपने सॉरी बोला नहीं।
आप तो एम्प्लॉय हो, आपका ओनर अंदर बैठ के हंस रहा है, उसका क्या?
जिसने बोला खाना कचरे में डालो वो बाहर आया क्या?
मैंने ना लेकिन तुम्हें
ओनर है तो क्या हुआ?
ओनर है तो क्या? वो हमारा ओनर नहीं है, वो लापिनोज का ओनर है, ठीक है? और उसको बोलो खाना कचरे में डालेगा, क्यों बोला? नहीं, अब
आप अपने हाथ से फेंके, हम लोग देखना चाहते हैं कि कचरे में आप कचरे में कैसे खाना फेंकते हो।
जो करना है करे।
करना है करो ना, आपने तो बिना खाए पैसा नहीं लिया,
कचरे में डालो मतलब क्या?
तो डालो कचरे में। आपके ओनर ने बोला
के
था।
लिए सॉरी।
अरे सर, आपको सॉरी बोल के क्या मतलब है? मैं आपको सॉरी बोलता हूँ, आप मत आइए हमारे सामने प्लीज। मैं आपको सॉरी बोलता हूँ हाथ जोड़ के।
डाल दो कचरे में यार, आप खिला दो।
अभी आप बोलो आपके पैर पड़ूं मैं?
नहीं सर सॉरी।
ये
सॉरी एक्चुअली उनको बोलना चाहिए, वो अंदर बैठ के हंस रहे हैं।
इतनी बड़ी ब्रांड लेके बैठे हो, ठीक है? लापिनोज कोई छोटी मोटी ब्रांड नहीं है, और उसका ओनर है ऐसे आके बोल देता कि खाना कचरे में। कोई भी हो, कुछ भी हो, कितना भी बड़ा मगजमारी कुछ भी हो।
सर ने थोड़ा हाइपर हुआ
अरे हाइपर क्या? हाइपर सर, ये हाइपर होने की जगह है क्या? ये होटल है सर।
आप ऐसे बात करोगे ओनर बन के तो कोई भी हाइपर होगा ना। हाउ कैन यू से कि खाना कचरे में फेंक दो?
देखो, छोटी मोटी ब्रांड लेके नहीं बैठे, ऐसे हाइपर होके बैठे, मतलब क्या है? अभी भी देख रहे हो कोई जवाब दे रहा है क्या? छोड़ो, जाने दो, अभी जो भी हो। ये
नहीं
तरीका
है।
नहीं है तुम्हारा धंधा करने का बॉस,
अंदर
ये
बैठ के
तुम्हारा
हंसा
धंधा
है।
करने का तरीका नहीं है। आप बता दे अंदर हंसे छी।
जोयू में ही स्माइलिंग, ही इज लाफिंग, मैं बता रही हूँ।
ये तुम्हारा धंधा करने का तरीका नहीं है बॉस।
करो ना अभी, आपको जो ठीक लगता
ये
है।
छोटा मोटा ब्रांड नहीं है, आप लोग ने मजाक बना के रखा है।
आपको पैसे से ही मतलब है ना, दुकान तो आपकी पैसे से ही चलती है, कस्टमर से थोड़ी चलती है। करो जो करना है, देखता हूँ।
मजाक बना के रखा है आप लोगों ने ये।
करो करो।
Guys, how come you are even eating inside? Do you know there are hair on their sauce bottles? I mean, no offenses, but please think twice before coming here. They have mosquito.
बता रहे हो, ठीक है? आप सॉरी बोल के क्या मतलब है? आपने बोला कि कचरे में फेंको, कचरा नहीं तो करना।
जिसने बोला सॉरी उसको बोलना चाहिए ना।
सिंपल।
आप भी बिजनेस करने बैठे हो, हम लोग भी क्लाइंट है बॉस,
तुमको
ठीक है? होता है सब कुछ, लेकिन खाना सीधा कचरे में डालो मतलब।
Guys, we just saw that the guy just took all the pizzas inside, and now they are not even ready to give us our money back. Forget the compensation. They are not even ready to pay us back about our own money. So let's see what next. So guys, we had a police coming up and we also discussed about it. So even police admitted that you know, the restaurant was wrong on their part. The way they treated us was absolutely wrong. So here I recommend to you know, think 10 times before coming to this place, because the owners or the managers, whoever they are, they're not at all apologetic. Even in front of police, they are not even ready to apologize. So for me at least, you know, I could not even taste the food as well. So after experiencing everything, for me out of 5 this place would be a 0 star. This was not at all expected. You cannot insult someone that आपको अगर खाना है तो खाओ, नहीं खाना है तो खाना फेंक दो. I mean, this is not the way the one should react, especially when you are working at a restaurant. So I think this place was a big no for me. Thank you for watching this video. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. Obviously please do share this video if you like it. Share it to as many people as you can, so that you don't get cheated. This place is absolutely not at all hygienic to have food here, as you can see previously in the video. So please do share this video to as many people as you can. It would be a great help to the world at large. So thanks for watching once again, and see you. I'll be back once again with a new video. Till then, goodbye, bon appetite, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cocinera's Food Lab. So here I am with one more restaurant review, and this time my experience about the restaurant, the overall experience was not even average. It was, I can say that it was even worse than that. I would just like to give you a small gist about what exactly had happened. So basically we had visited this one pizza restaurant in South Mumbai, and we had visited with our friends, given a wait time of about half an hour to 45 minutes. And after visiting the restaurant, the menu that we got was extremely, I can say, it was very confusing, wherein about the offers, the certain terms and conditions were given on the back side of the menu, which was written in the tiniest letters possible, which I don't think, when you are having a family time, would make so much of efforts to at least see what is the terms and conditions all about on the back side of the menu. So that was very unethical on their part. After that, when we requested the owner to change the order, he refused, and he told us that आपको खाना है तो खाओ, नहीं तो कचरे के डब्बे में फेंक दो. So this is what the entire scenario is all about. Also, the hygiene level of the restaurant was just below average. It was just horrible, because there were hair lying all around, even in the ketchup and the Tabasco bottle. There were mosquitoes everywhere, which you could clearly see in the video. And we cannot expect this kind of hygiene level, at least from a restaurant, in this particular COVID situation, which called upon the police as well. I am uploading this video after a long wait, with a hope that we would at least get our money back. And if you really like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, so that buyers beware. And also do give your views on the comment section. I would love to know your views about the entire scenario. And do subscribe my channel, and ask your friends and family members too to subscribe my channel, Cocinera's Food Lab. You can always follow my page on Instagram and Facebook. Facebook is just all about my restaurant reviews, whereas on Instagram you will find my photogenic food photos, along with some recipes and restaurant reviews. Thank you.